Hello everyone. Here are top 5 AWS security services that everyone needs to master. First is IAM. IAM protects you from unauthorized users and the hackers. And let's suppose, for example, you have a user and you want to give that respective user a special permission, the IAM would be helping you out with it. The second service is KMS. It's the service for the encryption. Using up the KMS, you will be able to create your own custom key, and using that respective custom key, you will be able to perform the encryption over your respective data. And till the time you have that respective key and you have not provided someone else the permission, neither the AWS nor any third party would be able to access that respective data. So it means your confidentiality is maintained. Then the third service is CloudWatch. CloudWatch is a service which helps you in getting up an idea that how healthy your respective resource is. If your instance is failing or any kind of other problems are arriving up in your respective resources, CloudWatch has a concept of metrics. And using up the metrics, you get up an idea how well your respective resources are performing. So if your CPU utilization of your server is going 90%, CloudWatch will be giving you the respective knowledge. And based upon that, you can take proper action. Then the fourth service is CloudTrail. CloudTrail is log monitoring service. Any kind of an API activity that you do into the AWS, CloudTrail collects that. So let's suppose, for example, in your organization, you have a sense that some unauthorized person has logged in and is deleting up the respective resources. You can go to the CloudTrail and see the logs that has occurred up in the previous 24 hours. Who deleted the server, who created the servers, right? So you can investigate into it up in place using up the CloudTrail. Then the fifth service we have is AWS GuardDuty. GuardDuty is a threat monitoring service. So if your any server is infected or been compromised, GuardDuty detects that and then give you the respective alert. So you can take precautionary measures or you can get rid of the respective server or the file. So you can imagine like it's an antivirus in your respective AWS. But with the problem that it will not eliminate the respective threat. It only detects it and give you the respective alert. So guys, that's it. Thank you.